Hello children, myself Amuta Shanmuganathan, teaching Shet Vidya Mandir English High School for Standard 3rd. Subject English Standard 3rd. Topic Look before you leap. Lesson number 18 Look before you leap. Long, long ago, there lived two little frogs in a pretty little pond. Colorful water lilies grew in the pond. Fishes darted about and tiny insects buzzed around. The pond was full of life. The two frogs were very close friends. They had plenty to eat in the ponds. All the day long they played about jumping from lily pad to lily pad and diving headlong in the pond. They were the happiest little frogs in the world. There lived a two little frog in a little pond. There is a lot of lilies grew in the pond. Insects were buzzed around. They two are very good friends. They have plenty of insects to eat in the pond. They enjoyed the lot and played about by jumping lily pad to lily pad. That is, the leaves of lilies float on water. They lived happily in the pond. They diving headlong in the pond. Diving head means diving into water with the head going into water first and then the rest of the body. The frog loved the rainy season, but the rainy season does not last forever. The rain stopped and the weather became hot. Still, there was a lot of water and life in the pond. There was nothing to worry about in winter. The frog friends found cozy little places at the edge of the pond. They spent most of their time sleeping and resting. Soon it was summer. Now the days become very, very hot, with the hot sun blazing in the sky. The pond began to dry without water. The lilies dried up. There were very few insects to be found. The frog friends were worried. Do you think the whole pond will dry up? The frogs were enjoying rainy season, but it does not for many months. After that, in winter, the place was little cozy. Cozy means comfortable and safe for them. They are resting and sleeping during this season. But when in summer season the hot sun blazing means very very hot. The pond started drying. There is very less insect for them to feed, so they become very sad. Look like it, said the other. What shall we do then? How shall we live? We must search a place where there is plenty of water and food for us. You are right. It is hard work traveling in the hot sun. But there is no other way. Come, let us start. The sooner the better. If we travel together, the search will be easier. So the frogs left the drying pond and began to look for a watery place. They hopped and became very tired. Just then one of them saw a well in the distance. They rushed to the well. The well was built in stone and had a high circular wall. The frog hopped onto the wall and peeped inside. The well was quite deep, but there was a lot of water still left at the bottom of the well. The friends began to jump for joy. We are so fortunate. Thank God that we found this well. In this situation, the frogs doing their conversation, that one of the frogs said that the pond started drying. So we don't have other way. We need to leave this pond now. And we need to search another watery place to live. Then they traveled both together and it will easy for them in the hot summer.
So it was a hot summer season. They became tired of hopped from place to place. At last, while going on the way, they saw a well built with stone. They peeped into the well. There was some water left at the bottom. They both began to jump with happiness. They feel fortunate. Fortunate means lucky. They started feeling lucky to have the watery place after long time traveled.
Our problem is solved. Our search has ended. We have found a new home. Let's jump in there together. One, two. Wait, friend, this well is so deep. And there's water left only at the bottom. But we can surely dive in. However, deep the well may be, diving is our specialty. Why do you hesitate? It has occurred to me that this well is also drying up. If it dries up completely, we will have to leave this well too. I agree, but why do you hesitate now?
One of the frogs said that our problem solved. We found a new home. Then they started to jump into the well by saying one, two. But the other frog said, wait, the well water is so deep. The frog friend said, what happened if the well water is deep? We are good in diving into the well. Then why you hesitate to jump? Hesitate means to stop for a moment before doing or saying something.
It's because I see a problem. We can easily dive into the well. But what if the well dries up? Can we jump so high that we reach the top of this wall? Shall we be able to leave the well like we left the pond? You are right, friend, said the other frog. I had not thought of this. It's good that you could foresee this problem. Let's not leap inside. Let's continue with our search. And so the two little frogs hopped on to look for a safe shelter. How well it is said, look before you leap.
The frog said, there is a problem because the well is so deep. This well is also going to dry one day like the pond. That time, can we come out from the well? Then the other frog said, yes, it is correct. This well is not safe for us. It thanked the other frog that he foresee this problem. Foresee means to think of something that is going to happen in the future. Then the frog said, let us we search the other place. So then the two frogs continued their travel for safe place. In the story, the proverb, look before you leap, is explained with the help of the story. So now you understood the meaning of the proverb, look before you leap. In simple words, if you want to say about the proverb means, if you are going to do something in your life, you must always look at the advantage and disadvantage about that work.